Hello everyone, it's a free software. You can download it from the description link. Open the setup exe, click yes. This is the installation folder. You can change it as you want. Click next and click here I accept. Next. Finish. Okay, now go to C, program files. Here is SCAPS. Go down. This is the exe file. Double click it. And here it is. It is installed and you can use it freely. It's a free software. Thank you guys. Like the video and subscribe to my channel.